Hey teachers, I wanted to show you a quick tip for finding out what items you have checked out under your library account. So go to the school website, and off to the right over here is always the link for the library. Go ahead and click that. And when you get to your library website, it'll look a little different because each librarian has set up their own. But what we're looking for basically is how to find a book or the catalog or something called eLibrary. So look for something like that. Mine is called Find a Book right here. If I click on it, you might recognize this screen from when you're searching for books. But what you may not have noticed is that it has a login right up here. So if you click Login and type in E and then your 6-digit employee number for your username and the same E and your 6-digit number for the password, you can hit Login and you can see what items you have on your account. So let me show you up here. It says My Account, and we'll see what I have checked out. It says over here, Checkouts. I have a red exclamation mark. That means I have something overdue. Let's see. Oh yes, it's my 2 computers for the library. So that way, normally if it's a book, you can see a picture of it so you remember what it looks like. But that is a quick and easy way to find out what you have checked out from the library. If students are logging in, or if you're logging in for them to see what they have checked out, you can just go ahead and enter in their S number without the S for their username and their password, and then you'll be able to solve any of those arguments or problems over whose book is whose right away. Of course, you can always call us. We're happy to help.